everyone, we're going to find the limit as x approaches 3 of x minus 3 divided by sine of pi x. I want to use this form here because if I substitute in 3 here, I'm going to get sine of 3 pi, which is 0. So you're dividing by 0, and that's not going to give you the limit. Also, you get 0 in the numerator. So what I'm going to do to fix this and to get it in this kind of form, I'm going to do this little trick and let x minus 3, my numerator here, equal t. And I'm going to write everything in terms of t. So therefore, our x equals t plus 3. All right. Now, also that means I'm going to have to change this limit. So as x approaches 3, and you substitute in 3 into this x, your t is going to approach 0. So now we're going to rewrite this as the limit as t approaches 0. And let's write everything. This x minus 3 is just t. And our denominator is going to be sine of pi times x. Now x is t plus 3. Okay, let's span this a little bit. We have the limit as x approaches 0 of t, and let's distribute this pi. So it's going to be pi times t plus 3 pi. All right. Now, to do this, remember we're going to have to use our sum formulas for sine of alpha plus beta. So this would be like your alpha plus beta. So expanding this, we're going to get sine of alpha times cosine of beta plus cosine of alpha sine of beta. That's going to give us cosine of 3 pi is negative 1. So that's going to be negative sine of pi times t. Sine of 3 pi is 0. So that knocks that out. So this whole term here equals negative pi times t. So let's rewrite that. We have the limit as t approaches 0 of t divided by negative sine of t pi. Now, again, we're using this form here. Basically, we're going to use the fact that the limit as theta approaches 0 of theta divided by sine of theta, it also equals 1. So basically, it's the same thing there. Now what I'm going to do is multiply, because I need my thetas to be the same. They're not. I have t here and t pi here. So what I'm going to do is multiply the numerator and the denominator by pi. Now that's going to give me the limit as t approaches 0, and I multiply these two, I get t pi, and divide it by negative sine of t pi. And then we still have this pi, so it's times 1 divided by pi. All right, we're almost done. Now this right here, the angles are the same. So instead of 1, it's going to be negative because we have negative there. So as t approaches 0, we're going to get negative 1. And then we still have this constant, 1 divided by pi. So our limit's going to equal negative 1 divided by pi. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.